In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. All you need to do is open Recorder and click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic, and to add it, select this check mark on the right. To end and save your recording, hit save at the top right corner and name it. Then hit save again. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it, but to delete it, hold it instead. Then choose delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!